Alright guys, so today I'm going to be repotting my cucumbers. So I'm going to be putting them into these little pots. So they're doing really well. These are crystal apple, is the variety. See that I've sown quite a few in there. And I don't need all these, so I'll select the best ones and pot them up. These are Marketmore 76, also doing really well. So I'll be potting them up too. Again, I don't need them all, so I sowed far too many. But I'll get started. I'll get back to you in a minute. Alright, so I'm going to start with the Marketmore 76. We've got to try and figure out how to get these out of here. So what I'm going to do is loosen up the compost and start trying to get them out. Should be quite easy. The compost is quite loose. So there you have it. There's one. If you try and hold one of the leaves instead of the stem when you're doing this, so he's got quite good roots on there. So what I'm going to do is put a little bit of compost in the bottom of the pot. This is just multi-purpose compost. I haven't sieved it and I haven't added anything to it because I haven't got anything left to add to it. So we just put it in there, bury it a little bit deeper, and fill around the edges with compost. And just firm it down gently. Give it a tap to level it off. That's all there is to it. So I'll get the rest of these done and I'll get back to you when I'm finished. Alright guys, so I've repotted all these cucumbers now. I decided to keep them all. I know what you're going to say, there's a hell of a lot of cucumbers, but I'm going to be giving some away and stuff. So I've got 12 Marketmore 76 on this side, MM for Marketmore, and I've got 14 crystal apple. So I've done CA for crystal apple. I've just given them a quick water. I've just sprayed all over the leaves and everything just to help them maintain some moisture from any root damage that I may have caused. And we're going on holiday soon, so hopefully when I go I can fill this up a little bit with water and it should last them the week that we're away. Yeah, so I'll see you in the next episode guys. Thanks a lot for watching and thank you for your lovely comments. I will catch you next time. See you later.